Pisces, hello and welcome back. And in case if you're new over here, then hello. My name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. So Pisces, one quick shout out that if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to it right now, and don't forget to click the red icon right there below to receive notifications about all my upcoming videos. And if you have not followed my Facebook and Instagram handles, then please go and follow them right now. All right, now this is your upcoming month's zodiac reading, Pisces, and remember that this is a general reading, which means that it may not resonate with all of you. So do not forget to check out my other zodiac readings on this channel as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. And also remember that these are absolutely timeless readings, which mean that you will come across this reading whenever you are meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time and year. They will be applicable to you, applicable on you for that upcoming month. All right, Pisces, so let's get started. Pisces. All right, okay, Pisces, what I see is that you have lately been very stressed, but you may have recently found a solution to the things that were keeping you stressed. All right, and you also may have started to work on the plans based on the idea that you have got that you can come out of the situation. You have already started working on those plans and it's going pretty good so far, and things might be seeming right now to you that you have almost reached the victory. All right, but my dear Pisces, things might be looking like that your time of stress is over, but it is not yet going to be over. The fight is not yet over, because either this situation itself is kind of going to take some more time to wrap up, or something parallel might come up. But the cards are suggesting you that do not get bogged down, do not get depressed and dejected. Keep thinking, only keep thinking of solutions. Do not keep thinking and get bogged down by that, oh my god, like it's just continuing, or there is no solution, nothing is happening, or there is no way out. Cards are telling you that stop thinking like that and start thinking that, okay, if this is not working, what next? If this is not working, what next? Start thinking like that and you will find the solution. I would like to say that in doing so, there might be some time in your life, there are many of those kind of times which come in your life where you feel that I've done enough, I've helped enough other people, I mean, and when I need somebody's guidance, there is nobody, because you are so much mature that you do not find that same frequency from anybody else. You do not find that guidance that you give to other people. You do not find that kind of guide for yourself. So the point that the cards are telling you is the Hermit energy, which means that you are your own guide. All right, and yes, you can guide yourself. The only thing is that you need to quiet yourself down. All right, you need to calm yourself down, which means that you need to shut yourself from guiding and suggesting and advising people for some time. Instead of doing that, utilize that time and those advices for yourself in the time to come, because that is something which is going to keep you sane, and that is something which is going to give you the wisdom to kind of fight your situation and overcome your situation of stress. All right, because if you don't do so, you yourself are going to obstruct all your opportunities. So do not let your overthinking or your feeling of dejection kind of bog you down and stop your own growth, because you have all the answers inside you. So take time. You are tired, take time, respect the fact that you are tired and exhausted from advising people, and now you need to make some time to take care of yourselves. All right, Pisces, so you know it all, you have it all within you. So take care of yourselves, Pisces. This was your quick reading for the coming up month. And in case if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon right there below to receive notifications about all my upcoming videos. And also do not forget to follow my Facebook and Instagram handles, which go by the same name, The Journey Into You. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, do take very good care of yourselves, Pisces. Bye bye.